Myself Rahul Kumar Misra from Diplomatic Guru YouTube channel. Today I am before you to tell a topic once again. And this topic has come from a well-known software company Infosys founder Narayan Murthy. Recently Narayan Murthy gave a statement. In that statement he is saying that 70 hours working in a week, that will be a good response for the Indian market and our output will be grow. 70 working hour in a week, it means 10 hours per day and there is no holiday. If we take the holiday in a week, then after we have to increase our working hour from 10 to 11 or 12 hours per day and 24 hours in a day. It means half of a day has gone for the working. And then after we can imagine how the mental and physical power will be our laborer or the factory worker. We need to understand it. Mr. Narayan Murthy had worked in a millions of the people. With the millions of people they have the employed at that time. Yeah, at present too. But he need to understand only to increase the working hour is not the solution of the growth and development. If we want the sustainable growth and development, then after we need to work on the research and development team. If our research and development team would be very sufficient, then after the less working hour and with the welfare of our factory worker, the total output or manufacturing or production would be increased. As we know, Rishi Sunak is the Prime Minister of the England and Rishi Sunak is the son-in-law of the Narayan Murthy. Narayan Murthy would suggest to his son-in-law Rishi Sunak to do so, and at present everywhere England output, everywhere England is decreasing day by day. At present there is no response. So how can it be possible when the industry has been started at the time of the 15th or 16th centuries? At that time, as we know, England has a power in the world whose sun is never set in their state, in their reign. Okay, so everybody, more than of the 50% of the nation, that was the slave of the England. If in India sun set, then in America the sun rises. If the sun rises in the America, then India sunset. In India the sun sets, so sun rises in the America. So England took the only raw material from its colonies, its slave country, and made it into the industry in his nation England and made the finished goods, and they sold his finished goods all over the world and they got profit. At that time the 16 hours of the working hour was valid in England at the time of the 16th or 17th centuries, but nowadays maximum 48 hours working day is mandatory, not mandatory. Maximum 48 hours we can take the work in a week. In India also, if India applied the idea of the Mr. Narayan Murthy, then most of the nation in the world, especially developed nation, did not make the treaty, did not make their treaty with India as per the industrialization. So how can it be possible? So at present in China manufacturing is going on. In Africa at present labor is so cheap, cheaper than India and China in Africa. So in Africa industry is also growing. If we give some freedom, some welfare to our factory workers, to the laborers, then after we can take the more benefit, because after the working of any company, after the working of the factory, it is very important their social life and their family life. So we need to understand that if we make the robust R&D team, research and development team, then after we can increase the production in the less hour. And if we can't do that, research and development team, we cannot enhance their capacity, we don't accept the new technology, then after only to increase the working hour of the employee. It is not a solution to give the credit to their growth and development of the nation. Yeah, it is necessary. Everybody should work their working hour, but R&D is the more powerful. R&D is the more significant than to increase the working hour of the workers